This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Edward Caputo. Beautiful duplex in Bonita Springs in a great location on an oversized corner lot. Professionally landscaped and maintained. Recent storm windows installed with marble sills. New gutters, soffits, fascia, and trim. Exterior completely painted. Each unit has 3 bedrooms, but one of the bedrooms in each unit has an exterior door that would be suitable for roommates with private entrances. Many newer appliances throughout. The owner is living in one of the units and his friend is living in the other, so the rental income is currently not realistic. The comparable in the area for each unit would be approximately $2,200 per month for a total potential gross rent of $52,800. The owner has no mortgage expenses, but other maintenance expenses amount to approximately $10,000, thus net operating income would be approximately $42,800. For more information, review the details below or contact Edward Caputo at 239-659-2400.